Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to share OneDrive files to Telegram. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new file in my OneDrive account, then I want to share the same file on my Telegram group. So now to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be OneDrive and my action application will be Telegram. So if you want to learn more about this, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to share OneDrive files to Telegram. So here my objective is that whenever in my OneDrive account, I'm going to upload a file, then I want to share the same file on my Telegram group as well. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you're an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. So now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as share OneDrive files to Telegram, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as OneDrive to Telegram automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of a trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So as my use case is to share OneDrive files to Telegram. So now in order to automate this entire process, firstly I will go to my trigger window, and over here I'm going to search for Microsoft OneDrive as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be new file. So this trigger will start working whenever a new file will be added in a folder. So now moving to my action window, as I want to share my OneDrive files to Telegram. So over here I'm going to search for Telegram bot as my action application, because by using a Telegram bot I'm going to send the files, and over here my action event will be to send a photo. So as you can see that I have selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So now moving to the use case, that is like whenever in a folder that I've created in OneDrive, I'm going to add a new file, then automatically the file should be shared on my Telegram group. So over here, this is the folder that I've created by the name of Telegram, and these are the images that I've added over here in these folder. So here my objective is that whenever in this folder I'm going to upload a new file, then automatically that should be shared on my Telegram group. So over in Pabbly Connect, you can see that in my trigger window, firstly I need to establish a connection between Microsoft OneDrive and Pabbly Connect in order to automate it. So I'm going to click on connect. And over here, to add a new connection, I will simply click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive, because I've already logged into my account in one of the tabs. So over here, I'm just going to click on accept, as this is a secure access. And here you can see that the authorization was successful. So over here you can see Microsoft OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So as we can see that Microsoft OneDrive and Pabbly Connect is connected. So over here you can see that I need to mention a set folder path. So it says set the path of the folder for tracking the new files, and over here you can see that the instructions are also given as well. So over here the event type will be of new file created. So for the set folder path, I'm going to take you to my OneDrive account, and as over here you can see that this here is my folder name, that is Telegram. And over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to mention the folder path as Telegram, because this is the same name of the folder that I've created in my OneDrive account. So now moving back to Pabbly Connect. So as I've mentioned the folder path and I've selected the event type. So as I'm going to click on save and send test request, it will get me the details of the most latest file that I would have uploaded in my OneDrive account. So over here in this folder, this here is the most latest file that I've uploaded. So I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and instead of clicking on save and send test request first, so I'm going to upload a new image in this folder. So I'm just going to click on this add new button, and I'm going to go to files upload. And over here, I'm going to go to downloads, and I'm going to select this image, and I'm going to click on open. So over here, this image is uploading. So over here, you can see that this image is successfully uploaded over here in this folder. So as I did that, now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect, and as currently I'm setting up this automation. So as I'm going to click on save and send test request, I will get the response of the most latest file that I've uploaded in my folder. So I'm going to copy this web URL, and I'm going to open this in a new tab, and I'm going to show you the file which I've uploaded in my OneDrive folder. So over here, this is the file that I've uploaded, and now taking you back to Pabbly Connect. So over here, you can see the size, and over here, you can see the reference path. You can see the name of the folder, that was Telegram. And over here, you can see the modified date and time. You can see the user details as well. And over here, you can see the type is of image/JPEG. And over here, you can see the application name, that was OneDrive. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the details of the file that I've just uploaded in the folder that I've selected over here in Pabbly Connect. So over here, you have got the download URL as well. So this here is the download URL that we have got for this file that we have uploaded on a folder in OneDrive. So I'm just going to close this to taking you back to Pabbly Connect. So over here, as I've got the response of the file that I've just uploaded in my Microsoft OneDrive folder, so that means we have successfully set up the first step of this automation. Now, whenever a new file will be uploaded in my Microsoft folder, then automatically the file details will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as a trigger application is a polling based one, so this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So as in Pabbly Connect, I've got the details. Now I want to share the file on my Telegram group. So to do that, over here, firstly, I need to establish a connection between Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect. So over here, I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the token, and you have to read the instructions given below carefully, because over here the instructions are going to help you to get the token. So I'm going to take you to my Telegram account. So over here, this is my Telegram account, and this is the group that I've created by the name of OneDrive Files. So I want to share the OneDrive files over here in this Telegram group. So now in order to do that, as per the instructions that are given, firstly, I need to go to my Telegram account, and over here, I need to search for BotFather. And here it is. And now I'm going to click on start. So now I'm going to create a new bot by clicking on this /new bot. And over here, now I need to give my bot a name. So I'm going to give my bot a name as Microsoft OneDrive Files. So over here, now I need to give a username. So I'm going to give the username as OneDrive latest files _ bot. So this here is the username that I've given, and you can see that a new bot has been created. So by clicking on this link, I can get access to my bot. By clicking on start, I can bring this bot in my conversations. So now moving back to BotFather. So over here, this is the token that we were looking for. So I'm just going to copy it, and over here in Pabbly Connect, I'm just going to paste it. So now once I've mentioned the token, I'm going to click on save. So here you can see that Telegram bot and Pabbly Connect is connected. So now moving to the chat ID. So over here, I need to mention the chat ID. That means the group ID where I want to send a message. So taking you back to my Telegram account, over here, this is the group that I've created by the name of OneDrive Files. And here in the URL, this is the chat ID. So I'm just going to copy it, and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So now moving to the caption, that will be, here's a new file uploaded on OneDrive. So this here's the caption. So now moving to the URL /file ID. So as we have got the URL over here, so we are just going to map it. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Microsoft OneDrive, so that is why over here in this field I have mapped it. But before moving ahead, there is one important step that is left. So as over here I've mentioned the chat ID, I've framed the caption, and I've mentioned the URL or the file ID in this field. So now I'm going to take you back to my Telegram account, and over here in this group, I need to add this bot as one of the members and give the admin access to the bot in order to send a message in this group. So now over here in this group, I need to add the bot and I need to give admin access to the bot. So I'm going to add the bot over here in this group. So here you can see that I have added the bot in my Telegram group. So before moving ahead, now I need to give this bot an admin access. So to give an admin access, we are going to use a phone and give the admin access to the bot. So over here, you can see that in this group, I have added the bot and I've given the admin access to the bot. So now I'm just going to close this. So going back to Pabbly Connect. So as you can see that I've mapped the URL or the field ID. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if you would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mentioned the chat ID caption and the file ID, and I've given the admin access to the bot as well. So that means we have successfully set up a connection, and now we will be able to send this OneDrive file in our Telegram group. So now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And over here, you can see that I have received the response, and this here is a positive response. That means the file has been successfully sent on my Telegram group. So now I'm going to take you to my Telegram group. So over here in this Telegram group, you can see the drive which I've uploaded on my OneDrive account is successfully shared. So as you can see that this here is the image, and over here this here is the caption. So as I've shared the same image on my folder that I've created on my OneDrive account, so this image has been successfully shared on my Telegram group. So that means now whenever a new file will be uploaded in my OneDrive folder, then automatically that will be shared on my Telegram group. So this was a successful automation. Now whenever a new file will be uploaded on my Microsoft OneDrive account folder, then automatically it will be shared on my Telegram group. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.